Hello, in this video I would like to show you our new product, which is a custom build designed for this MSC MSC-803 display. The old one is cracked, I took it out already, but I just want to show you our new one. This is brand new, and MSC-803 LCD. It's exactly the same, but the connector was a little bit closer to the edge, but the original one would be around this position. So when you, couple things you need to pay attention when you replace this display. Okay, this one's already have a built-in LED. So basically you just connect that 15 pin to it and it will lit up. So let's set, this is brand new. Okay, let's set aside, take a look. This is MSC MSC-803. The old screen crack, I already remove it. Basically on the back there's a whole bunch of screws that you need to remove in order to access it. And then first you need to remove this ribbon cable, right? And then a couple screws, remove it, you pull out, then you mount the screen on this metal frame. So basically after all the screws removed, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including 10 screws. And then we already disconnect the ribbon cable. You just lift up this one, take it out. Be careful with the ribbon cable, you don't want to damage it. Set aside this one, the front panel. Look at this one. This is the 15 pin. So basically, I'm going to show you. Basically, you just connect to it. Couple things you need to be careful because this connector is a little bit closer than an edge compared with the original one. So when you put it back, first thing you be careful, and then second thing is that it's going to be 100% fit. So I show you later, but just connect it back here. Just carefully, yep. Okay, connect it. And then you have to bend the cable here, the tricks all the way. So that way to fit. Okay. Alright. So it's gonna fit. So we're gonna put the screws, the original screw, that old screw back. Okay. So I put back 4 screws. The trick is that the first trick would be you have to bend the cable a little bit on the side, so fit. Next trick would be this screw don't tie all the way down, let it loose a little bit, just like this is good. The reason I show you because when we push back to there's a whole bunch of screw. When you push back, then you can allow the screen have a little bit loose to make it fit. So check it out. So you're gonna get one end in first. Let me see the cable. This is the right one. Okay. This one's easy. So be careful. This one's a little bit tricky because the wire is so close to the edge, but it's also easy too. So you just want to do like this, stick it in. Yep. Right. Okay. So alright. So the trick is that you're gonna let one side in first. Let's say I put it this side down first. See that? Then because the 4 screws are loose a little bit, you can push the screen. You see this? Just push in. See that? Just push in. Okay. Now we're gonna put back the screw. I'm going to put a couple of screws. I can test it and show you how good this display is. So I put a couple of screws to secure it, and I put the ribbon cable back. So this is 12 volt. I cut 12 volt. So let me take it and see what happens. It's pretty good. Look at this. It's actually really nice. Thank you for watching.